Hello makers, welcome back to We Are All Makers. Today, we're delving into the delightful and healthful world of yogurt. From fresh milk to creamy, tangy yogurt, join us as we explore the intricate steps involved in producing this favorite dairy product. Let's get started. Step 1. Sourcing and testing the milk. The process of manufacturing yogurt begins with procuring high-quality milk. Dairy farms supply fresh milk, which is then delivered to the yogurt-producing facility. When the milk arrives, it is extensively checked to ensure its purity and safety. This includes examining the bacterial count, lipid content, and overall freshness to ensure that only the best milk is used. Step 2. Standardizing the milk. To maintain consistency in the finished product, the milk is standardized. This entails adjusting the fat content to the optimum level, which is usually between 1% and 4% for yogurt. Skim milk, cream, or milk powder can be added to attain the desired balance. This procedure ensures that each batch of yogurt has the same texture and flavor. Step 3. Pasteurization. Next, the milk is pasteurized to kill any hazardous microorganisms. The milk is heated to a specified temperature, usually around 185 degrees Fahrenheit 85 degrees Celsius, and then held there for a set time. This process not only kills bacteria but also denatures proteins in the milk, resulting in a thicker yogurt texture. Following pasteurization, the milk is rapidly chilled to the optimal fermentation temperature. Step 4. Homogenization. Homogenization is the process of breaking down fat molecules in milk to guarantee their uniform distribution. This procedure keeps the cream from separating and rising to the surface, yielding a smooth and consistent texture. The milk is squeezed through small apertures under high pressure, effectively mixing the fat and liquid components. Step 5. Inoculation with yogurt cultures. Once the milk has been pasteurized and homogenized, it is time to add the live yogurt cultures. These cultures, which usually include Lactobacillus bulgaricus and Streptococcus thermophilus, are necessary for fermentation. The cultures are precisely measured and added into the milk, which is then kept at a warm temperature of approximately 110 degrees Fahrenheit 43 degrees Celsius to allow fermentation to occur. Step 6. Fermentation. During fermentation, living microorganisms convert lactose milk sugar to lactic acid. This process thickens the milk, giving yogurt its distinctive acidic flavor. Fermentation time can range from 4 to 12 hours, depending on the desired thickness and taste. The longer the fermentation, the thicker and more tangy the yogurt becomes. Step 7. Cooling and mixing. When the necessary degree of fermentation is reached, the yogurt is cooled to complete the fermentation process. Rapid cooling also helps to set the texture of the yogurt. At this point, you can add any additional ingredients like fruit, sweeteners, or flavorings to the yogurt. This stage enables for a wide range of yogurt flavors and styles, including plain, fruit-flavored, and Greek yogurt. Step 8. Packaging. The completed yogurt is then moved to packaging equipment and poured into a variety of container sizes. The packing technique is intended to be clean and efficient, keeping the yogurt fresh and uncontaminated. Product information such as flavor, expiration date, and nutritional content is labeled on sealed containers. Step 9. Quality control. Quality control is an important aspect of the yogurt production process. Samples from each batch are checked to ensure that they meet safety and quality requirements. This includes checking for the appropriate consistency, flavor, and pH level. Any departures from the requirements are corrected, and only the best yogurt reaches the shelves. Step 10. Distribution. Finally, packaged yogurt is chilled and supplied to merchants. Efficient logistics guarantee that the yogurt reaches retailers swiftly while retaining its freshness and quality. From there, it makes its way to customers, ready to be enjoyed as a nutritious and tasty snack. That concludes the step-by-step method for creating yogurt. Every stage of the process, from fresh milk to the final packaged product, is critical to producing tasty and healthful yogurt. Thank you for joining us on this adventure. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to We All Makers for more behind-the-scenes glimpses into the world of production and craftsmanship. See you next time.